I will be doing a simple dipping powder set. I told y'all we were saving money all 2019, so if you want to save money and not continue to pay, you know, a good piece of change going to the shop, as long as you know how to polish, you too can achieve a nice simple dipping powder set. So if you're interested on achieving this look, continue to watch my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So what I'm going to do for starters is just soak off the last set that I did. So I still have them from Christmas. And you can see there's no lifting, no breaking. They've lasted all of this time. So I'm going to do a new set. I've already cleaned and prepped my nails and filed down the natural nail to get rid of the shine. And so I'm gonna start with number 1 on Kiara Sky, and it's the bond. So what I've done, you gotta make sure you gotta clean and prep, make sure the tip, if you put a tip on that, you know, you file it and even it out with your nails. You wanna make sure it's smooth transition. So when you put a tip on, you wanna make sure that you are securing that tip. So you just want to run a line across where that tip start. This is the bind. And then on your natural nails, you want to put it on the entire thing. Than the rest of my nails. And then start with your base, your number 2 on that nail that you put a false nail on, or a tip, or whatever you want to call it. You want to go across that, right above it, not on it, but right above it. You might get on it a little bit, but that's okay. Right above it, just try to even that out. You don't want any bumps or lumps, because if you do, you will have bumps and lumps in your powder, and you don't want that. So you just roll. Oops, I dropped it. Just roll it. If y'all hear some noise, my husband is washing. And this is going to be quick because it's late. I had some stuff to do. At an angle, and pull it right back out the same way. Get the excess off. I just tap it. Sometimes if I see that I can still see the bond on there, well, the base, I'm sorry, then I'll put it back in there again. So on the ones you did not have to put a tip on, or if you don't use tips at all, you just want to put it on your natural nail, not all the way. You want to do half or a quarter of the nail. Because my nails are shorter right now, get the excess off. I'm doing a little. So now that we've done that, you can get you a little brush. Same thing, dip it in a clear at an angle. It doesn't matter. You just, well, this is a makeup brush, but I've never used it for makeup. I just get the excess powder off to do my nails. So you want to dust away all of that excess powder on all of your nails. And I normally, the one I just did, because I know it's not good and dry, I just lightly do it, and if I have to go back, I will. So another layer of the clear. This is just the clear powder. And you go almost to your cuticle, but not all the way. Almost, but not all the way. And now you're gonna want to make sure that it's even all the way across, so you don't get any lumps. Now, if you get any lumps, that's fine. It happens. And this is just one way to do the dipping powder. They have the pour method, but for me, this is a lot faster and a lot easier. Same thing, almost to the cuticle, but not all the way. Dip in at an angle, pull right out, get the excess powder. All right, so you dusting off again. Definitely want to make sure you get all of the excess powder off in between each step. The colors I am using are out of, all right, so you have the Kiara Sky's color kit. I forget which one it's called, but it's the pink kit. So this one is called Prim and Proper, and it's DL01. And that's how I get this natural nude look, that natural nude color. And then this is also in the color kit, and it's called Superficial DL03. And that's how I got the gold. So the gold right there, right there. All right, so starting with my thumb, as usual. Well, I did it already, but I'm just gonna show y'all. For each one, you wanna make sure you roll it. You can roll it that way, or you can do it like this, but you wanna make sure you roll it, don't shake it. And then I tap it down because I wanna make sure it's even, because that affects the actual dipping process. So you're just repeating the same thing you did with the clear. Now you're gonna do with the color. And because I have shorter nails right now, I'm only dipping the color twice. When my nails are longer, because you want that extra support, I dip it in the color 3 times. Dip it at an angle, and it's okay. Some pour out. Well, with me, it's okay. I try to save it by getting the lid and shaking it down off the lid. Or you can take your finger and just run it across to get the excess. All right, and then I should have did this first, but it's okay. So on this hand, I want to do something different than I did on this hand. So I think I'm going to do the DL03 for the superficial on my same thing. So you can see it's an easy process. You save money. You don't have to wait in the line at the shop. And you can do it yourself and feel good about it. I get so many compliments on my nails. I mean, I've done acrylic before, but when I tell you this is the easiest and it's the healthiest for my nails, this is the only thing I've been able to use to get my nails to grow. And then with this nail, I guess I would do this little design. So I'll show you how you can achieve a cute little design quickly. And if you all have seen my Facebook Live, if you watched my Facebook Live, I did a whole Facebook Live about, well, that was for Christmas. So maybe about a week before Christmas, I did my little Christmas holiday set on Facebook Live. And I showed them how to achieve this. So for a little something different instead of just a plain nail. Dip at an angle. Until you achieve the line that you want. So that's about good on that side. Shake it down. Go back on the other side, do the same thing. Try to watch your line. And you have the first guide. Switch to the whatever color you want to use, whether it's clear, pink, sparkle, whatever. Make another guide. Pull it out. Shake it down. Because if you shake it up, the color goes that way. Up your nail instead of down. Do the same thing. Shake it down. And then I do clear on that last part because I don't want any color there. So I just did clear on the other nail. So I'll do the same here. And then because it's clear, I don't want to shake it down in there. So I just put it off on another side. Get rid of the excess powder table. So that's fine. I'm gonna do all of the nails except for the last one I just did. This nail, I'm just gonna do on the last two nails. It's just gonna be hardened, just the nude color. Check, make sure we're still in the frame. So this now I'm gonna need to pick up some more. There we go. Take it to the cuticle, but not on the cuticle. And make sure you cover that entire nail. Especially because we're only doing 2 coats of the color. Again, if it's longer nails you're using, working with, you definitely want to apply more than 2 coats. Shorter nails is fine. Tap off the excess. And then move to the next nail. We have the gold. Sparkly. I hope you all are enjoying this tutorial. And it gives you some courage to go out there and do it yourself. So I don't know if y'all saw how I just got a little bit of that on my skin and on my cuticle. You just want to take your nail and clean that off. If you don't get to it, if you didn't see that you can go back and get it later, but it's best to get it prior to dipping. Dip it at an angle. Pull it out, tap it off. Look how cute that set is though. Well, that hand, so we're gonna get this other hand together. Almost done. And I did do this one a little higher, and I'll show you why. Well, actually, I can tell you